friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel Infinite Gyan. So friends, in this video we will discuss about paracetamol and also its synthesis and mechanism. Paracetamol is a popular and most commonly used analgesic and antipyretic drugs around the world. The discovery of paracetamol started in 1880 when acetanilide was accidentally given to patients and it helped in reduction of fever. It is particularly useful in patients with risk of gastrointestinal complications and for patients that cannot be treated with non-steroidal anti-inflammatory drugs. Now, its abbreviation is NSAID, and this non-steroidal anti-inflammatory drug is aspirin. Paracetamol is a mild painkiller and reduces fever. It does not possess any inflammation activities like aspirin. Now here, this is the structure of paracetamol. Paracetamol is synthesized from phenol by the following 3 steps. Now the first one is nitration of phenol can be done under mild condition. Okay, we will done here nitration of phenol, as this nitration is an electrophilic substitution reaction. Now sodium nitrate and sulfuric acid is suitable reagent to be used for nitration of phenol. Two products, that is orthonitrophenol and paranitrophenol, are obtained as reaction products. Both of these separated from steam distillation, where orthonitrophenol being more volatile in comparison to paranitrophenol vaporizes along with the steam, leaving behind paranitrophenol. Now we are here with paranitrophenol. It is taken as reactant for further reaction. Now orthonitrophenol is more volatile because this is due to the fact that it shows intramolecular forces of attraction. Okay, it shows intramolecular forces of attraction, but this paranitrophenol shows intermolecular forces of attractions, and we know that nitrogen and hydrogen both show hydrogen bondings. Now this paranitrophenol can easily donate one of its hydrogen atom as they show hydrogen bonding, but this is the case with orthonitrophenol, as it shows intramolecular forces of attraction which is present in between two atoms. Okay, so here the intermolecular forces are present in between the atoms, like carbon, like hydrogen single bond. Okay, now these are between the two atoms. Okay, but intermolecular forces are present in between two molecules. Okay, so that's why this orthonitrophenol is more volatile than paranitrophenol. Paranitrophenol is remain here. Now it is taken as reactant for further reaction. As you can see, this is phenol, and in the presence of dilute sulfuric acid and sodium nitrate, there paranitrophenol and orthonitrophenol. Okay, now this step involves the catalytic reduction of paranitrophenol, that is this paranitrophenol, to para-aminophenol. Now this paranitrophenol converted to para-aminophenol in the presence of sodium borohydrate, that is NaBH4, as reducing agents in the presence of catalyst like palladium. The reaction can be carried out at temperature below 17 degrees Celsius in mild basic medium. Now this paranitrophenol in the presence of sodium borohydrate and palladium, it converts into para-aminophenol. Here is this amine group. in the para position. Now this para-aminophenol obtained in second step can be converted to paracetamol by acetylation with acetic anhydride in mildly acidic conditions. Now this is para-aminophenol in the presence of acetic anhydride converts into the paracetamol in the presence of acid, that is the acetic acid, and here paracetamol and acetic acids will form. Okay, so this is the synthesis. Now we will discuss about the mechanism of synthesis of paracetamol. So here we have this acetic anhydride. Okay, so we have to protonate it first. So we have to protonate it first, as we know that oxygen is most electronegative atoms. So this proton will attack on this oxygen. Okay, so this will attack on this oxygen, and here it will attach like this. Now as these two electrons form bond with hydrogen, so this oxygen will get positive charge. Now this carbon will donate its electron to this oxygen so that it gets stable. Okay, now after giving its own electron to this oxygen, it itself get positive charge. Now this para-aminophenol will attack here, and this nitrogen carrying two lone pairs. These two lone pairs form bond with carbon, which is like this. Now this nitrogen will get positive charge. Okay, so this hydrogen will leave outside. Okay, this will go outside, and this bond will shift towards nitrogen, as here is the removal of H positive. Okay, now this will form here. After the removal of H positive ion, we will get this. Now the bond between the oxygen and hydrogen will shift towards carbon, and the carbon or oxygen bond will shift towards carbon, so that, and this carbon bond will shift towards oxygen, so that we get paracetamol plus acetic acid. Okay, this is the mechanism of synthesis of paracetamol. So I hope friends you guys like this video. If yes, then please subscribe to my channel and also share with your friends. Till then guys, take care. Goodbye.